some of the logistical pieces of how do you show up online in your best way, right? So there's logistical pieces, there's technology pieces, there's understanding the picture that you're putting forward. There's also the understanding that so say networking, for example, is a really good example.
Right.
We go to in-person networking thing. We're physically there in person. We've got our little collection of cards we're going to hand out to people or whatever. And you meet a few people. Either you meet a few people and have some conversations, or you meet everyone and you're just giving them your business card. Those two things don't change, right? It kind of depends on your own understanding of the value that you're bringing to the room and how you're trying to connect with the people in the room. As someone who runs networking events, I will tell you the first version, having a few conversations, is much more effective and better than just throwing your business card at everyone. So move that all online. And what do we do to continue to be able to grow our networks? We need to either have individual conversations, or we need to go to a room and throw a business card at everyone. And it still is true that those individual conversations are the things that are going to move your business forward.